I'm riding at noon. It's more clear for my eyes. Sometimes I ride on afternoon as well. I go at 5 to 15 p.m. and it will be about 6:30 or 7 p.m. around this jungle in the dark. I mean, it will be night already. At the moment, I'm at Soeharto Hill, East Kalimantan, Indonesia. Some tracks on the route are quite straight, so yeah, keep testing the limit. Just a little, test the top speed. But safety is number one, of course. Balikpapan and Samarinda are nice places to live. I choose riding motorcycle for my transportation at the moment. You can see, guys, along the route you can see green fresh view. It keeps my eyes open. The road condition so good for me. Cornering is good, yeah, around here. Top speed is good, and the most important is safe area, and of course we must implement COVID-19 protocol. A lot of vehicle type that use this route: motorcycle, truck, small cars, big cars. Must be alert always, control the risk always. It's nice riding when we have dry route, but must reduce some speed when it's wet. It is really faster riding at the moment. I don't need to stop once or twice to top up my fuel. It's enough bringing me to my destination. If I feel sleepy, I will stop a while to have some coffee. And if we are hungry, there are some option to have lunch or dinner here. You can choose to have meal at Tahu Sumedang, Soto Lamongan, Opik restaurant or others. Just in case we need refueling there. Yeah, there are some gas stations as well. If there is something wrong with our tires or motorcycles, there are some workshop along the route. You can try this riding track, guys. Sometimes I get ahead some vehicles on the way. Back to a moment when I said riding at night. Sometimes before I get through Soeharto Hill, I stop for a moment to wait others riders, so I can ride together through Soeharto Hill. Because riding alone at night through the jungle, I think it's not really a good idea. Just remember, before riding, ensure our motorcycle is in good condition and ready to go. So what do you think, guys, about this track for riding? Is this good enough for you? Just please try sometime. Okay, I think that's all, yeah, for this time. And thanks. Already check my YouTube channel. Please subscribe so you can have others information. Thank you and see you again.